Good morning, Facebook. Okay, so I read an article the other day and it was actually kind of comical, and I want to share this with you today. Basically, the article is what is the difference between a fitness professional and a fitness celebrity? And I laugh about that because here I am, I'm trying to do this Facebook thing, I'm trying to do the social media thing, and can I tell you, it's incredibly overwhelming because, yes, I am trying to get my words out there, but not because I want to be a fitness celebrity. That's not my thing. But here's what I want you to know. There is a huge difference. And it was kind of interesting, the article that they did, because this is stuff that you guys don't really know. So if you kind of glance through my friends on Facebook, a lot of them are big time fitness people. They've done all sorts of videos and they have impacted the world, which is I'm trying to do as well. But they tend to be the education and the knowledge behind some of these fitness celebrities you guys see on TV. So I just want to kind of share that with you because sometimes these fitness celebrity things, it's really not what it's all about. I was actually at the gym today. I was training a client, and it's kind of comical because where I live, we're in Miami, so it's kind of like a cosmopolitan type things. So here, not only do you have fitness celebrities, but you have fitness celebrities because they came from Paris, or they came from Brazil, or this particular guy is from Argentina. He's an Argentinian soccer player. And because of that, this woman was paying him top dollar, I'm sure, to train her. But here's the thing. He knows soccer. He doesn't really know what to do if you have a bad back because you carry children, or because you're just kind of sedentary, or maybe you have bad knees because of your alignment and all of that kind of stuff. There's biomechanics and kinesiology that go into it that if you've strictly stuck to one sport, I hate to break it to you, you don't know that stuff. So here I am. Of course, I'm trying to focus on my client because, I want to fix my client. So my whole focus there. But I got this one eye like this because I was appalled. I was actually so appalled. And he talks very highly of himself. He's very cute, let me tell you. He is. But he's a fitness celebrity. That's not me. So I am here, and this is why I'm doing the Facebook Live things, and I'm putting all this stuff on the internet nowadays, because really, at the end of the day, what I want to do is I want to change you guys. I want to help you and give you all the tools you need to be the healthiest, strongest you can be. So when it comes to hiring a personal trainer, I'm going to kind of share my tidbits on that too. Please don't go by looks. And don't go by like, I want to look exactly like them, so I'm going to hire them, because here's reality. Reality is that I can sit here and I can give you guys the perfect diet. And 12 of you can follow my perfect diet, and some of you may lose weight and some of you may not. And some of you may have a foggy head, and some of you may just feel weak. And it is because we all break down and metabolize foods completely differently. So if you want a great weight loss program, it's got to be, again, my 4 pillars, the combination of food and nutrition, exercise and movement, sleep and relaxation, and happiness. But they really have to be customized. I can't just make up some stuff and give it to you guys because, again, some of you will make it and some of you won't. So when you're looking for a personal trainer, I want you guys to look for a personal trainer that, yes, is certified, but not certified by like a weekend thing that they do on the internet, because I've written for some of those organizations, I must say, but it's not really everything. A good industry certification like the International Sports Conditioning Association, ISCA, American Council on Exercise, ACE, American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM, the National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM. I actually lectured and taught and traveled for NASM for about 7 years. Did you know? It was a blast, let me tell you. I certified instructors all over the world. Hong Kong was absolutely my favorite, but whatever, that's another story. But so when you're hiring a trainer, I want you really to focus on, don't hire them because they're really pretty and they look good and they claim to be this, national soccer star from Argentina. Hire them because they know what is needed to change your body, which is different than someone else's body, okay? And they can help you with injuries and they can fix everything. I had a studio for a long time. I had a little boutique studio, and it was kind of interesting to me that most of the people that came to me, they came to me because they were injured from them. So I got the injured ones, which I really kind of like because it's a little bit more intriguing to me because I like to fix things. So to me, if you're injured, I love dealing with you because I want to fix it. And I want you to be pain-free, and that's always my goal. So I just want to give you those tidbits when you're trying to hire a trainer. Let's put a little bit more emphasis on it, because here's the thing too, which again, these are things we don't know. So I was telling you about some of my friends on my Facebook page. a lot of my friends on my Facebook page are the science and the writers, as which I've done too in the past, for a lot of the fitness celebrities you see on YouTube or the television. So those people that you're watching that you think you're getting all this great information from them, no, I hate to break it to you, but there's someone like me behind them saying, lift your leg to the right, pull in your abdominals, push your shoulders back. Yes, there's people like me and some of my friends that do that. That's what we do. So I want you to choose a trainer for your New Year's resolution that's really going to help you. And if for some reason you guys happen to live on Key Biscayne, I'm picking up 3 more clients on Key Biscayne, just 3. That's all I have time for. But if you want a training on Key Biscayne, you can message me below and you can pass that to your friends. But if not, you can also reach out to me because I have friends that are trainers all over the globe. And so if you're looking for a good trainer, please message me so I can kind of direct you in the right direction. I want to help you out because we got to make our bodies strong, and we can't be hiring a trainer who's going to sit there and talk. I saw that the other day too. Oh, I wanted to pull my hairs out. The guy's training her, he's spotting her, and he's talking on the phone. Same time. That's my all-time pet peeve is the cell phone and personal training because listen, when you've hired a personal trainer, you have bought their undivided attention for that hour. They should not be talking on the phone or sending out a text message. No, they should be focused on you, your form, your technique, what you're doing good, right, wrong, indifferent. They should be fixing you, correcting you, and making sure that every movement you do is perfect and ideal for your training goals and your needs. So with that said, peace out, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.